Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce and configure sales territories, full guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Salesforce, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Salesforce, which is www.salesforce.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If applicable, select the appropriate login option, such as Salesforce Classic or Lightning Experience. Once all fields are wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. If your login is successful, you will be directed to the Salesforce homepage. Now that you're logged in, locate the App Launcher icon, represented by a grid of dots. Click on the App Launcher icon to open a menu of available applications. Type Sales in the search bar to locate the Sales app. Select the Sales app from the search results to launch it. After the Sales app opens, go to the Setup icon, which looks like a gear. Click on the Setup icon to enter the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box on the left, type Territories. Select Territory Settings from the options that appear. Here, you can enable or disable territory management. To add a new territory, click on the Territories option. Then select the New button to create a new territory. Fill in the necessary details, such as the territory name and description. Assign a parent territory if needed, to create a hierarchy. Once all fields are completed, click the Save button. Next, to assign users to the territory, navigate to the Users tab. Select the users you want to include in this territory. Then click on that Add button to include them. To finalize your changes, review your territory assignments. If everything looks correct, hit the Save button. You have now successfully configured your sales territories in Salesforce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.